Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video we will make beautiful earrings. Friends, I want to ask you, do you understand everything? What about I'm talking? I'm just worried about my English. It seems to me that I'm making a lot of mistakes. If I do something wrong, please tell me. So, let's start to make earrings. I cut out the form of earring of paper. Then take polymer clay and cut out the form of clay. Take lace, and I will cut out these spots. Put liquid film for fixing. Attach and press to the surface. Connect two parts. And next I will decorate it with beads. Bake in oven. Put some gold acrylic paint with help of sponge. So friends, it's really easy and stylish earrings. Tell me your opinion in comments. Also share this video with friends. By the way, I am pleased to read all your comments. And I'm tried for you. So, see you soon. Bye!